Hello viewers and friends, welcome to YouTube channel GK for everyone. Please do keep supporting our channel, like it, share it and do subscribe it, and also press the bell icon near it so that you can get the latest updates of all our GK current affairs and quizzes. Today in our section we are going to discuss about some prominent figures of India. We have designed the section as Who is Who. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first question is this: which renowned filmmaker, composer, musician from Assam was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna? He is none other than Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, and in Assam he is known as Hudakantha Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. This is his picture. He is the famous composer and he is actually the god of the Assamese music industry. He was awarded the most highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 2019. As he died in 2011, his son Mr. Tej Hazarika received the award from our latest Indian President Ram Nath Kovind. Along with him, on the same date, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee, the former President of India, and an activist, Nana Deshmukh, also received the same award. The next question: which Indian film actress turned political was the chief of AIADMK, which is All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, and the chief minister of Tamil Nadu for 4 times? She was Jayalalitha Jayaram. This is her picture. She played the various prominent and lead characters in various South Indian movies like Ijjat, Padhu Kapoor, etc. She played the lead roles and she is a very prominent figure of India. The next question: which English-born American writer of Indian origin won the Pulitzer Prize in 2004, the interpreter of Maldives? She was Jhumpa Lahiri. This is her picture. Next question: which outstanding Indian cartoonist characterized the common man? The famous Indian cartoonist Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Laxman, born in 1951. He is also known as R.X. Laxman, characterized the common man. He is a very famous Indian cartoonist, and this is his picture. The next question comes as: which scholar and leader of the Indian national movement founded the Banaras Hindu University? He was Mr. Madan Mohan Malabya. This is his picture. He was a scholar, educational reformer, and also an active politician, political activist. He was 3 times the president of the Indian National Congress. Next question: which Indian activist and president of the Central Legislative Assembly was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? He was G.V. Mavalankar, also known as the Dada Saheb, born in Vadodara, and he was the former speaker of Lok Sabha from the tenure of 1952 to 1956. Which Indian American writer was blinded at the age of 3, became the fellow of the Royal Society of Literature in 2009? He was Mr. Ved Mehta. He also wrote for the New Yorker for several years. The next question: which Parsi actor, director and producer directed and produced India's first technical color film Jhansi Ki Rani in 1953? He was Sohrab Modi. This is his picture. The next question: which political prolific writer and sportsman captained the Indian hockey team to win gold in the 1928 Summer Olympics in Amsterdam? He was Jaipal Singh Munda. This is his picture. He captained the Indian hockey team. And we must also known as hockey is the national sports of India. Next question: which pioneer of the Indian nationalism was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? He was Dadabhai Naoroji, also known as the Grand Old Man of India. This is his picture. He belonged to the Indian National Congress. Who was the first woman president of UN General Assembly in 1953? He was Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. She was the first Indian woman to become a minister. This is her picture. Which prominent freedom fighter and patrol is known as the Lion of Punjab or Punjab Kesari? He is Lala Lajpat Rai. This picture. Who is the founder of the India's first pharmaceutical company, the Bengal Chemicals and the Pharmaceuticals? He was Prafulla Chandra Ray from 1861 and he passed away in 1954. Who is the first Indian to swim across the English Channel? He was Mihir Sen. He is credited with swimming the oceans of 5 continents in one record calendar year. This is the picture of Mihir Sen. Who is the first woman from Asia to swim across the English Channel? Is Arati Saha. Who is regarded as the father of the Indian space program? He is Vikram Sarabhai. He established the Indian National Committee for Space Research, which is later termed as ISRO, and the Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Program Station. This is picture. Thanks for watching our video, friends. Do support us and visit our Facebook page gyanbhandar.online for more such updates. Thank you. Have a nice day and do study well, prepare well, and do try to crack your exams at the shortest. Thank you.